What do you think about all that, Sid?
11.4. Alright, this side was good. This side we're running 36.
What do you want to stop at?
I'd say just match the other side, do 36. I 100% blame that flat tire for us not being able to do a burnout very well in the end of the last video, but when I post on Instagram, there seemed to be some sort of debate with you guys thinking this car just doesn't have enough power to do a burnout, which sounds to me like we need to redeem ourselves.
Not bad. Not bad for an old girl.
You guys might just be right, because I don't know if I would call that redemption. This car feels like it, as soon as you hit the brakes, it feels like it's limiting my power. Like it just completely kicks me in the nuts. I might have to admit defeat against stock tires. I don't know, man. We're running stocks in the rear because we haven't had a time to get this actually properly aligned yet. A lot of the shops around us have been super busy lately, so this is just like a me and Chris alignment, and we're not game to mess up the new tires.
No. Not yet.
Anyways, we're not out here today to see if we can redeem ourselves, although deep down I'm very upset that we didn't just redeem ourselves. We're trying to see if this thing will stop. We know it goes, barely. It barely goes, but we want to know if it's going to stop. And before that, I want to remind you guys, the new white scoop tees, they're going to be going live July 10th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got the white tees, they got the summer 2021 tag on the booty. And to go with the white tees, we got some fresh jet tags, baby. I've been telling you guys about these. We finally got the 3
new ones, I'd say. I know we've always had the red, we've always had a blue, but these are 2 fresh new red and blues. And then we got ourselves the new...
Honestly, this is one of my favorite ones. We got the gray.
Black. They are gonna be limited. So for anybody who's buying online, get to it, because we are also carrying them along to all the driven events this summer, and we ain't gonna be stocking them a lot.
Now before we get to today's install, we need to do some field testing, mainly because I've been bored of being in the garage all the time and just installing parts and not doing anything.
So pretty much we're out here and we're gonna basically prove to you guys what adding a little performance to your brakes can do for you.
And I don't know, you think this pole, I'm pretty sure I could see that pole from inside a car. I think it's a good stopping point.
That's mint. Class is in session and I'm the teacher, so I'll be grading his stopping today for each stop he makes and give him hopefully a good grade, but I doubt it. He just blew by. Okay, I'm gonna have to say I ain't a fan of red, so I'm giving him the red jet tag. Red is the bad color, so do better. Come on, sorry, let's go. Oh, okay, you're getting better, buddy. So we did make some progress. Yeah, you got like 3 feet. Oh no! All right, buddy, well, you're not getting a blue today. I'll mark you, but you didn't win.
Damn! That was a long one.
Excuse me, sir. I did it. You did make some progress.
Gotta give him that gray. Maybe like right there. That's the money shot, the money spot.
And he should hopefully not hit us.
I think my ABS came on that time.
Okay, buddy. Excuses.
Okay, result time. I honestly thought it was gonna do way better. I'm a lot disappointed. And
Yeah.
I can't lie to you.
You definitely were not making it. Like that deer got squashed.
Oh, deer got squashed big time, dude. You know, you always see those signs that say speed kills. That was the first time I ever thought, bro, 100's actually fast. Doing 100 knowing you're about to have to stop dead makes you realize like, oh man, I'm hauling ass.
Yeah, probably. Well, and you know where you're stopping, right? You have like a designated line that's like break here.
Final result, we came in for the 60 kilometers an hour. We went, shortest was 51 feet and the longest was 71 feet. So obviously I wasn't stopping on the line exactly the same every time. Sometimes I came in a little hot, sometimes I came in a little under speed, I'm sure. None of that was perfect. So we can take like a middle number and say that's like 60, 61. For the 100, this one we're writing off. That one was a cheat. That one, 86 doesn't count. So we got 133, 151, and 164. You wanna just say the 151, the middle number?
Yeah, let's go middle.
We're gonna say that's how far, and 61 up here. I would love to look at you guys and say like, hey, that's not too bad, but I honestly have no idea like how fast the car should stop. Doing that speed, I have no background.
But we're gonna find out once we get these performance brakes on the car.
Today we got a huge care package of stuff going on the Z, but before we get the new stuff out, we get to dismantle spicy hot brakes. These pads, boy, these are like brand new pads. The other one still even has the writing on it, this guy here. So these are actually in pretty minty shape, which is probably why we were able to stop at a decent pace when we stopped.
Yeah.
And not only that, but the Z actually has one of the best stock brake systems that there is. So
Does it really?
This is a really common swap to put on 240s. A lot of Nissan guys put Z32 brakes on stuff because these are like stock dual caliper.
Not dual caliper, dual piston, but same thing.
The same idea. Anyways, you guys can see right there, we got our dual pistons, which is super mint. Is that the new Hawk Performance drilled and slotted rotor right there? Damn, look at that. They put little engravings to show you the hot boy sauce. Hawk actually did send us some rear rotors, but you guys know no matter how high we bring the vibe to the video, our life is reality. Simple mistake. My rotors for the rear of the Z were backordered for a long ass time, and when they finally got to sending them around, they just sent me the wrong ones. These are Subaru bolt patterns, so they literally don't even fit at all. And they have no more in stock right now. All the ones that they did get made, they already sold. We just went and we picked up some fresh stock boys, so these will do for now. Hopefully in about a month, I can swap them out. Anyways, check it out. We got Hawk racing pads for the front. You guys can see these are like a little bit more full face. Racing pads for the rear. These are what we run on the Genesis, and the Genesis stops on a dime.
Yeah,
dude.
no doubt.
And it has not even like nice dual piston brakes. When they get hot, they're a little bit squeaky, but they're 100% worth their squeakiness when they're hot because they work. Then we got some nice slotted and drilled rotors for the front. 75% of the braking done on the front anyways, so the fact that we have racing pads and slotted and drilled rotors on the front, we're gonna be stopping like pretty close to what we would anyways. We're gonna lose very minimal by having those on the back. So for you guys watching at home, squint your eyes a little bit when we're doing the rear. You might be able to see it as a slotted and drilled rotor. I think next time, maybe we'll use a little bit less lubrication.
Yeah, but you see how easy those slid in there? You know what lubrication does.
Okay, everything's on there, mounted up, lubed up, ready to go. Fresh brakes just look so good. Put the Heritage wheels back on the rear. I think that the little stopping power that the rear tires being better will equal what it would have been if we put rotors on there. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, that's fair.
Okay, slight location change. It was actually pouring rain at our last spot. You guys can see right here. It's literally raining right here. Somehow the rain has not found this one road yet, so we found this road. We literally drove around for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
We found the only dry road in town.
There's literally a circle of rain, and this is the dry road in the middle.
Brakes feel good. On the drive over, they felt super nice.
Yeah, they do. They feel like they're gonna hook. We also got some nice tires in the rear.
And some colder than normal temperatures and a little moist in the air. So
see my goosebumps?
New location, stopping point is that little tree stump, which I probably won't see, so I'm gonna just start stopping at that camera.
I like this spot, dude.
This is actually a nice spot.
Burnouts here.
Yeah, we can. if only we could.
Alright, we'll just we'll get our braking in and then we'll wait for the rain. Then we can.
First things first though, we need to get these brakes hot because they perform better when they're hot, and it's not fair to start with them cold because by the end we'll be doing way better than we were at the beginning.
Okay, buddy. You ready? We gotta get going because it's starting to spit. Right off the bat, significant difference. Round two is not so good. Oh, that was like right at your first one. Yeah, it's not even worth marking it.
So that might be our spot then.
That could be our spot. Okay, go 100K because it's gonna start raining. It is raining now, and we got our second 60K. Don't see this. This is a little Steffi that I took. Robbie doesn't really know. I mean, I'm sure he might have seen it in the back seat, but we're gonna be whipping this in front of him at some point. We're going right to the 100K now because we have a general idea of where we're stopping from 60. Second stop with the 60, 100K. Not bad. Bye! Yeah! You're a great helper, buddy. We're doing a fun run. Basically, I'm gonna run down, I'm gonna hide in the bush with this guy. Robbie's gonna have no idea where I am, and when I feel like it's a good opportunity, I'm gonna whip this out in front of him, and we're gonna see if he can stop and save the bear, or just smush the bear. Where can we hide? I gotta make sure that I can see him come all right down here. This is good, this is good. That might have been not so fair. May have reacted a little late on that one. And I think probably something this. Oh.
I thought I told you to keep that thing on a leash.
His head.
He looks like Sid the Sloth, the last dandelion. Now that we sat in the car and did all the math, the rain has let up for us, but dude, the numbers are actually insane. Like way better than we thought they were gonna be. When we did the first test, I'm gonna show you guys, our numbers were way more spread out. Like we were doing 51, 56, 59, 71. Here I hit 39 twice and 55 once at 60 kilometers an hour, which is pretty good. But where it really shines is like 100 kilometers an hour. I did 108, 111, and 114. And last time I did 133, 151, and 164. They weren't as consistent. These are way more consistent. Anyways, we averaged out that our average, again, this is just two idiots doing math. Our average the first time was 61 feet for stopping with stock brake. We averaged out for 60 kilometers an hour, 22 feet shorter. Like this is how much shorter we came in with these Hawk brakes. I hit 39 2 times. It's been raining, it's wet. We don't have the rear discs, even though I don't know how much that really makes a difference.
It probably doesn't make much, but who knows?
Yeah, who knows? Either way, for the conditions and everything, like if this was a hot summer day and we had some grip, we could be doing even better. Sid's propped up the tape measure over here to show you guys. This is right at 22 feet, dude. This is how much faster this car is stopping at 60 kilometers an hour. Which like,
It's pretty impressive.
okay, Sid is gonna mark our 20-foot mark. Watch this. That's how much better we did at 100 kilometers an hour. And we got 40 feet better on average.
It's wild, man.
Think about like a highway pileup. Okay, obviously these are racing brakes. You put these on like a track car. This is gonna do, I can tell you just from driving it, it's intensely better than stock, okay? But just think about this, even just having these on your daily. In a highway like a pileup, everybody's getting in accidents, rear-ending, and you have that much of an advantage to not rear-end the guy in front of you. You're still probably getting smoked, but at least you didn't smoke someone. I don't know, dude, I'm just impressed.
Yeah.
I'm really, I didn't measure when we did the Genesis, like we never did anything like this. Hawk pads and rotors, that's all it is.
This is killer. Killer, I'd say it, honestly, I don't know if we were expecting these results, but these are the results that someone should expect.
Yeah.
What do you think about all that, Sid?
Alright, that's all we got for you guys. I hope you guys liked the energy in today's video because we've been trying to make some videos that are more fun for you guys. So if you guys are still here, comment Sid. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.
Yeah. We got ourselves a white Lamborghini on Concession Road 9. It appears he's doing burnouts. If you don't mind coming to see what's going on.